Hello, Shepherd's Landscape Supply. My name is Naso Georgalis and I work with Epilysis Solutions in Charlotte. And we are a marketing agency that, as I told you over the phone, is working with landscaping material companies all over the country. And as I was doing some research in your area, I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. I'll show you some of the things I can see that's working well for you and also what's working well for your competition. So I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can grow your business and help bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics that we are going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. And the pictures are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content, and it's readable by search engines. And content in our front page should be typically around 1500 words. And although this might sound a little bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count in order to allow it to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. So the first tip that I want to give you guys is that you have to make sure that you have more relevant keyword rich content that's unique on your front page so that the search engines can help get your company rank as high as possible. And as I said, unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook. And the website is not an Instagram page where we use no words. A website needs nice and unique content, and it should include keywords in order to help the website rank higher. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if I do a search here in Google, basically about landscaping materials in your area, the first thing that we are going to see with most of this type of searches is going to be ads at the beginning, right on top of here. We don't see that here, but it doesn't mean that it's not usually the case, especially with Charlotte growing so rapidly in the north, in the south, east, west. It grows everywhere. There are more and more companies like yours that are trying to get a portion of the market share. So if we go on page 1, following the search query, you will first find the map section. In order for you to get in there, this has to do a lot with citations, and naturally you will ask yourself, what are citations and how do I get them? Obviously you know, because you are in the first place here, but just to let you know, a citation is essentially your business name, address and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. And a good way to describe what a directory is for example Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp or any other of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2 is that just with citations, in order for us to beat our competition, we just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and then you want to try to get in those same directories, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. However, we don't want to just stop there, because in order for you to really beat your competition, you really need to make sure that you are doing what they're doing, and then adding a little bit more. And so that's kind of what matters most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Now, the third thing that I want to cover and go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps. And basically what backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that could be a local news company, for instance, that did a story on you, and then they link the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly look services with you. So using a tool that we have, and as an agency we pay more than $800 a month to have it, we get a good idea of what's working well for you and what's not. So basically, this tool is not 100% accurate, but it basically shows that you guys have 21 referring domains, 163 backlinks, and if we go in here, it's gonna show us all the different websites that are currently linking to you guys. And a lot of these is going to be a business directory like Yellow Pages here, and we can see there's a lot of Yellow Pages, Yellow Pages, Yellow Pages. See a lot of Yellow Pages. You are there, you're doing good. There's a lot of directories here, and in order, though, for you to truly beat your competition, you want to make sure that you are getting in as many places as your competition is in, and then get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. Just like with citation, with the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in more places. But that's giving you 304 keywords that I can see, which is bringing you approximately 183 people on average to your website each month. Now, like I said, this isn't 100% accurate, but it does gives us an idea of what is working for you. Currently, the most accurate and up-to-date information is going to come directly from your Google Analytics if you have that set up correctly. But what I can tell you from here is that I get an idea of where your traffic is coming from. If we take a look at some of the competition, if we see here, we see on the organic search, we see Soil Supply at #1 place. So if we go and see on Soil Supply, we see that they have 38 referring domains comparing to 21 that you have. And then they have 181 backlinks comparing to 163 that you have. And they have, although they have less keywords, their organic traffic is substantially more than yours. It's almost 100 people more. It's 271 comparing to 183. If we go in here and see the keywords that are relevant for you, and which ones you're gonna go after, we can go and say your competitions. Keywords, you see here, Soil Supplies, they're #1, Soil Supply #1, Soil Supply Huntersville, they're #1, Soil Supply, they're #3. But you see all these places that are ranking as #1. You can go, you can increase your content and you can go after those keywords. So basically, you know what to do in order to beat them, And as I said, you just got to get in more places than your competition to truly do that. And so that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how our company can help you grow your business and bring you guys some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. And just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you for your time, and you guys have a great month. Thank you.